Today, we'll be doing our ProtectionPro PRISM install. The PRISM series is a series of the Infinity films. This is our Infinity PRISM combo pack. This is our film, already cut. As always, we'll spray a little bit of gel on our fingertips. Make sure you don't have any fingerprints. You'll peel out your film. Once your film's peeled out, you want the sticky side up in your hand. Spray a little bit of gel. Line up the film to your desired placement. Since it is a wet install, you'll still spray just a little bit of gel on top of the film. You'll take your Pro Squeegee, 4 fingers underneath, your thumb on top. You'll start at the back edge, squeegee away from you. Flip the device around. This one you'll have to do a couple extra swipes to avoid the camera hole. And now, just dry it off. And now, you have a perfect install.